紧跟全球市场动态，各位好，我是陈一佳。今天和大家一起讨论一下欧元区的主权债务危机。那整个的讨论呢，已经是持续了差不多2年的时间，从几个小的国家呢，现在呢一直是蔓延，已经延长到了像西班牙和意大利这样的国家。而现在呢，欧洲市场方面的一举一动可以说是牵连了全球股市的脉搏。在今天呢，我们就请来了在美国以及欧洲都有业务的对冲基金的经理 Thomas。Hi Thomas, we have been talking about Eurozone debt problem for almost 2 years.
Yes.
And it wasn't that serious as what we are seeing now. And a lot of people blame on Eurozone structure. Are you seeing any possible solution we can use?
I think so. As a possible solution, first of all, the countries have to start themselves. Greece has to have its own problems under control. What the Eurozone can possibly do is supervise and make sure that they actually get through with all those measures they said they would implement. That's the first step. The second step is to have more of a European Union government. Right now, each country has its own government. Germany and France generally lead the discussion. But if there was one common voice and one union as a nation, like it is the case in the United States with the federal states, but one general government, that would help the European Union a lot.
So should they establish certain agency or some organization to do it?
Absolutely. The European Central Bank is only the beginning. What they should really have is a European Economic Commission that really works on all these economic policies for the entire Eurozone together, where the countries don't really have a say anymore, but they have uniform common policies for the entire region that will be binding. That's important.
But politically, will that be possible?
Politically, it's a tough sell, especially for stronger countries like Germany, for example. So it's always a trade-off. You save the European Union by working together, but you create an average where you mingle weaker countries with stronger countries, and the stronger countries will obviously have to make some compromises along the way.
But does it mean we are going to see the breakup?
I don't think so. I don't think that's possible anymore. The European Union existed before the euro. Now we have the euro since 2002. That has been implemented. To breaking up a currency like that is almost impossible, almost irreversible. China is a big holder of European currencies. They would probably also be against this. It's nothing that happens over a decade or two. This is something that builds out over maybe 50, 100 years, and we're still in the beginning. So we are working out the kinks right now, but it doesn't feel like it in the market, obviously, because investors want results much faster than that.
The uncertainty in Eurozone put big risk on the equity market.
Yes.
So from your point of view, how the investor can modify their strategy to against this risk?
As an investor, I would be careful with banking stocks at the moment. They are very volatile. They are very lowly priced. I think if an investor waits another 2 to 3 weeks, it would be a great starting point to get into European bank shares, especially I'm thinking Deutsche Bank or even Barclays in Great Britain would be a good investment because it's priced so low. I don't see any defaults. I don't see a second recession as people were afraid of. I think it will slowly recover. Another play that you could do is if you are worried about the euro as a currency, you could invest in other currencies and go short the euro.
看来呢，整个的市场呢，虽然是受到了欧元区主权债务危机以及银行债务危机的一些牵连，出现大幅度的震荡，但是呢，也存在一定程度的商机。以上就是来自于纳斯达克最新关于欧元区的一些报道，感谢各位的收看，我是陈一佳，我们稍后再会。